Of course, nkati mwa wiki naona kuti makosana a Boma anakumana ndi investors from China, and they expressed interest kuti nawonso afuna apanginawo fertilizer kumala kuno. And then challenge ndiona kuti nkhani imene kukhanga tikuzamba kuwombana ndi nkhani ya fertilizer plant ya Dr. Napoleon Dzombe. For me, what I can say to the government is that it looks attractive to work with the Chinese, because you are dealing with people who have been in this game for so many years. Everything, they already have a plan, they already have everything you may think of. They have already gone through it, they have mastered it, and when they come to you, they open their mouth and you know that this is a person who knows what they are doing. Okay? And yeah, we must open to them, we must allow them to do their thing, and we must collaborate with them. But I think one of the things that the Malawi government should learn to do in these kind of setups is knowledge transfer and technology transfer, which I think for so many years we have been lacking. Looking at construction in Malawi, you know we have a problem. Why? There's that gap. You bring in those supposed experts, they leave, but we are still where we started. Now, that's why to push people like Professor Napoleon Dzombe is very important, because these are people who are our locals here. Whatever they are doing is building local capacity, and that's why as a government we in a way have to think very wisely, because you open the door to the Chinese, they come here. I don't think it's not really that much of a lucrative market for them anyway, but I mean they are just spreading their tentacles. Okay, but what about locally? If these Chinese go, they leave, they liquidate and whatever, we will still be able to deliver. So local capacity, local production capacity is very important. Yeah, yes, our own investors locally may not be as attractive, may not have the muscle, may even fail to pronounce the words required for the technical team to look at them and think they know what they are doing. But those are not the people to look down on or push down, is to support. So this is my plea to the current government and the governments to come, that inde mlendo adza ndikalumuka kutwa koma foti kalumuko ndikaga kamapita matenga. Now you go back to your blunt knife.